Welcome to this mini tutorial on how to track time. Tracking the time spent on tasks is the fundamental step for the entire flow within COR to work properly. It will also provide transparency on your work done and visibility on your available capacity to take on new work. COR has two different ways of tracking time. In this video, we will focus on the suggested hours provided by artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is the way we recommend to alleviate your daily tasks and automate processes. On the Hours page, you will see two columns, Confirmed and Suggested. The Confirmed column shows the time that you have already tracked toward that task. The suggested time is generated through artificial intelligence based on your interactions with the platform. Through machine learning, COR registers the interactions that we have while working in the system and then suggests the time that was spent on a specific task. Meaning, if you go into a task, share messages, upload files, and more, COR is going to take these interactions, learn from them, and will then begin to suggest hours worked on the given task. Simply click the blue bubble within the suggested time, and automatically the hours are tracked.